let's join Freddie in his world of color to look at the wonderful fuchsia.
Hi there, I'm Freddie from AT Nursery and welcome to my world of color. Today I'd like to talk to you about fuchsias. Did you know there are over 3,000 different varieties of fuchsia, which means there will be a variety for you. But it also means choosing from all the selection available can be a little overwhelming. Fuchsias are technically perennials, but they are quite cold sensitive, and so we treat them as annuals in many areas. They don't like to be too hot, especially dry heat, and so thrive in semi-shade to full shade. Thus, they are considered as an easy plant to grow in containers where we can control their environment. When growing them indoors, position them in bright indirect light rather than direct sunlight. With right light, watering and humidity levels, they thrive and are actually easy plants to care for. During the summer flowering season, and for best results, you do need to feed them regularly with a liquid fertilizer. I find a combination of fish emulsion and seaweed works well. So, which fuchsia do you need? If you are wanting a fuchsia for a pot plant, you need one of the varieties that grow upright. This is the Bella fuchsia. It is a shade-loving plant and so needs bright indirect light rather than direct sunlight. Another option is this fuchsia monk, a bright color combination that your eye can't miss. Pollinators like bees and butterflies are drawn to these bells and big bright stamens. This is the cascade fuchsia, and as the name suggests, it is a trailing variant that is perfect for hanging baskets. No matter the variety of fuchsias you choose, the key is regular pruning that encourages new growth that bears new flowers throughout the season. Don't forget, we've made it really easy. All the information you need to know is on the label. And remember, in good times and in bad times, flowers bring you moments of joy.